In this part, we are going to show you how to use the Python to deal with the CSV file. So the first thing is to read the CSV. So first we have to import the CSV, and then we have the example.csv in the same directory, and the CSV file is just like this. And we have the title or the header if you put this file into the Excel. And then we have the name, John Smith. The department is accounting, and the birthday is November. And the other person is Erica. The department is IT, and the birthday is March. So now we have this information, and then we open the example.csv, and we store it in csv_ file. And then we use the CSV reader, the csv.reader, to read the file. Now we stored it in the list as X, and then we execute this one. And now you can see we have the UFEFF. So if you look at the Stack Overflow, you will see that there is solutions that you have to encode the file. You have to use the right encoding. So we use the encoding is equal to UTF-8 signal, and this is the UTF signature. We put this at the open file, so we have the encoding, and then we execute this again, and now you can see we have the name and department and birthday, and this is correct now. Now we can also use the using with open example.csv as CSV file, and then actually this is the same as before. CSV reader is equal to csv.reader, and then we put the CSV file, and then we use the for loop to loop through the readers, and then we use the comma to join them. So now we have the name, department, birthday, John Smith, accounting, November, and this is actually exactly the same as this one. Now this part we will going to discuss how to write a CSV file. And so for example, we define the CSV file. So we are going to create the csv_file.csv, and this is the write mode. And the new line is empty space, and I will show you that if you do not have this line and what will happen. So we execute this, and we also use the delimiter as the comma, and then we use the CSV writer to write row. So we write a row, and the row is ABC. For example, this is the header. And then we write the multiple rows, 1, 2, 3, and also the 4, 5, 6. So after we already finished, and then we will close the file. So if you want to add a new line in the existing file rather than create a new file, you have to use the append mode. So we have to put the A here. And also the new line is also the empty space. And then now we can put the CSV writer, and then we put the F here. And then we write another mode, and actually we can go to the see whether the CSV file exists. Now we have the CSV file is ABC 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and we added here. So we go to write another row is DEF, and then we close the file again. And now if you refresh this file, now you can see the DEF, and then we go to the next file. So I have to delete the CSV file, there is only one CSV file, then that is okay. And then we go to create another file, and now this time you can see we do not have the new line is equal to empty space. So compare with this one, and then we execute this, and also we have to use the delimiter is comma, and then this time we write the multiple rows, and then we close the file. So now you can go to the CSV file, and now you can see this is 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6. You can see there are no difference, but because I'm using the Mac, if you are using the Windows, you may face the problem that it will have the / and / n at the end of each line. So this is what will happen if you, or what may happen if you're using the Windows. And this part we are going to open another CSV file, and this is the username.csv. And the difference is it has another type of delimiter. Instead of using the comma, it used the semicolon. So if you back to here, instead of using the CSV.reader without the delimiter, we have to add the delimiter is equal to the semicolon to specify the delimiter is semicolon. And then like before, we can use the list, and then we pass the CSV reader, and now we have the users, and now you can see we have 6 rows of data. But the first one actually is the header. So if you extract the specific information, we will first create an empty list. For example, we want to just take out the full names, and it starts from the first one, should be the second line to the last line. So the first row, this is the 0, the first, and 2, 3, 4, 5. So without including the 6. And then we append the user. The user 2 and user 3 actually is 0, 1, 2. So we take out the index 2 and index 3 items. So we have all the full names exist, such as Rachel Brookers and Laura Grade. So all of them are from the index 2 and index 3.